Facial rejuvenation, the non-surgical lateral lift. Instead of adding volume in the center of the face, this approach focuses on the temple, zygomatic arch, lateral midface, and jawline to create a true lifting effect. A recent quantitative study by Cotofana and colleagues measured exactly what we see every day in practice. They found that lateral face injections create measurable lift, support the midface, improve jawline contour, and elevate the entire lateral face thanks to the interconnected fibroseptal network. This is why a well-performed lateral lift can rebalance facial proportions, elevate the midface without adding bulk, sharpen the jawline, reduce lower face heaviness. This is Dr. Domondon. As I show my technique, my focus is always on safe anatomical planes, precise depth, minimal product, and maximal lift, working along the entire lateral vector. The result is a refreshed, elevated appearance, a true lift without surgery, supported by evidence and guided by anatomical precision. Concordia Star Medical and Aesthetics, your home for safe, science-based aesthetic artistry.